In this video, we're going to show you how to install the front strut and spring assembly on your Toyota Camry located behind your front wheels. Use a pry tool and go ahead and pop off that center cap. Set that aside. Use a 21mm socket to go ahead and loosen and remove the lug nuts. Remove the wheel and set it aside. Loosen the nut on your tie rod using an 18mm socket. I'm going to apply some upward pressure on our tie rod end, and I'm going to strike the knuckle right here. Release that and set it aside. Using a 14mm socket, want to loosen and remove the nut for the sway bar end link. Go ahead and move that link out of the way. Using a 12mm socket, loosen and remove the bolt for the brake flex hose right here. Using a 22mm socket and wrench, I want to go ahead and loosen the bolt and the nut here. Let's go ahead and remove the bolts for our strut here. Now when doing this here, you want to make sure that the knuckle doesn't drop and rip or pull on this flex hose here. If you have to, make sure you can get a securing strap of some sort to keep this knuckle from falling too far. You can still go ahead and anchor it to the strut if you need to. Just allow this to come down. So we're going to work on this here, separating this strut from the knuckle. If you want to, you can use a pry bar. Go ahead and pop that out like so. Now on the inside of the engine compartment here, we have our driver's side strut tower, and there are 3 14mm nuts on the top here you want to loosen and remove. Now when you remove the last nut, the strut is going to want to drop out. So as you're removing the third one, you're going to do the nut and reach inside the wheel well and support that strut. Now when pulling the strut out, be careful not to catch the axle boot. Tip this up and remove it. Now we're going to install our strut the same way that we took out the old one. Feed that in, push this up into the strut tower. And what we want to do is get some of these bolts or those studs to come up through the engine bay. Now on the bottom here, just kind of rock that back, line this up. We can go ahead and get one of these lined up here for our knuckle. Here we go. With this kind of generally lined up, let's go ahead and finish up installing the nuts up top. And let's go ahead and snug these down. Torque down the nuts to 59 foot-pounds. We're done in the engine compartment. Let's go ahead and go back to the wheel well. Install the lower knuckle bolt here. We can go ahead and install the 10mm bolt for our brake flex hose here. Tighten that down. Tighten down our knuckle bolts here. Install the nut for our tie rod end. Let's tighten that down. Torque down the 2 bolts here from the strut to the knuckle to 156 foot-pounds. Do this for both of them. Torque down the tie rod end nut to 36 foot-pounds. Go ahead and get our nuts installed here. We're going to use our Allen key here. This is a 5mm. Go ahead and torque the sway bar end link nuts down to 29 foot-pounds. Go ahead and take your wheel. Line up those studs there and get our lug nuts started. Go ahead and torque your lug nuts down to 76 foot-pounds. Do this in a crisscross or a star pattern. If you have a hubcap or a center cap, go ahead and install that now. After finishing this installation, it's important to have an alignment done on your vehicle. And you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.